I warned you this would happen. Why do you always do this? You've ruined everything.
Right into the fountain.
No way, that is the funniest thing I have heard all week.
Definitely. I heard their new collection just arrived.
We are doing a great job repainting this wall.
It looks so much better now. Look at that huge lollipop.
Did you find the biggest one they have?
It's rainbow.
Here's a little treat for you, dear.
Really? Thank you. For you, Mommy.
Oh, my sweet baby. Are you sure? Thank you.
Oops. Hey, watch where you put that flower. Now we match.
The baby is coming. It hurts.
Something happened to Mommy. Please hurry up.
All right, next contraction, take a deep breath and push. Harder now. You're almost there.
Look how tiny she is.
Would you like to give her a gentle pat? Are you enjoying the walk, sweetie?
Yes, I like walking slowly with you.
You're welcome. Now, about that dress you borrowed.
How could you? Get out of my sight right now. I never want to see you again.
I'm sorry.
Mom is so beautiful. Look at this one. It's perfect for you. It's so sparkly. I love it.
This dress would suit Mom very well.
So beautiful, Mommy.
Mom will be home late today, so be a good boy at home, my dear.
Yes, Mom.
Bye, baby.
Goodbye, Mommy.
No mercy today. Are you ready for the takedown?
So beautiful.
Oh, my ghost!
Where is Find it now!
Almost there. Just gotta make this turn. Yes! Hey, what did you do that for? Hey, it's all right. You don't need to be scared. I'm here to help you, not scare you.
Burn it, kill it, play it. No mercy. Just victory.
Absolutely perfect. I love it. Oh, I'm so happy you think so.
Don't worry, I'm here now. Everything is going to be all right.
Don't worry. A little sleep will be good for you. It's time for me to replace you. It's my turn now.
My sweetheart.
Oh, my baby. I miss you.
How dare you!
Why? Why doesn't he believe me? My love, you are everything to me.
You are my world.
I just don't understand. What did I do wrong? That dress really suits you.
It vanished. That stuff really works.
No, my hair. It's all gone. What's happening to me?
Oh no, my baby. What happened to you? Thank you. I will try. Don't worry, baby. Your hair will grow back like before. How dare she lie to me like this? You lied to me. Get out of my house. My baby, I'm so sorry.